In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display multiple values in one card in Power BI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring several key numbers together in a single tidy visual, so your audience can scan them at a glance. Start by opening the Power BI desktop app on your computer. Once it's up, head into the report where you want this multi-value card to appear. If your report is already open, make sure the page you're working on has the fields or measures you plan to show, like totals, counts, or other KPIs. Look over to the right side of the screen for the Visualizations pane. If you don't see it, expand it from the View menu so it's visible. Now select the card visual. In many versions, the visual that stacks several values is either called Card, New, or Multi-Row Card, but you can simply choose Card from the pane you have available. With the card on your canvas, click it to make sure it's selected. Then, in the Fields list, drag the values you want to display into the card's fields add them one after another. As you drop them in, Power BI will place each value within the same visual, stacking them vertically. If the order isn't right, just drag the field names up or down inside the fields to reorder them. If you only see one value, you may be on an older card. Try the multi-row card or the updated card visual to show a stack. Now let's make it look polished. Open the Format pane, usually the paint roller icon, while the card is selected. Adjust the font sizes for both the labels and the numbers so they're easy to read. Tweak the colors so the labels and values have good contrast, and increase spacing or padding to create breathing room between items. If you want to emphasize the numbers, consider dimming label colors slightly and using a bolder color for the values. You can also turn on background, pick a subtle color, and add a small corner radius for a modern look. If needed, enable data units, thousands separators, and set decimal places so each metric is consistent and clear. Rename your measures to friendly, short labels so the stack stays concise. Finally, resize the visual on the canvas to fit your layout and preview it in Reading View to make sure everything is legible. That's it. Multiple values, one clean card, ready for your dashboard. Thanks for watching.